Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So today's video, by the title, obviously is going to be my January favorites. I have so many that I want to share with you guys. I have so many new goodies, so many old goodies that I'm like revisiting. I just have so much to talk to you guys about. So if you guys are interested for this favorites, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let's jump into this video. So I have a mixture of everything. I have hair, body, skincare, like makeup, the whole nine. So I actually want to start with hair. So first things first, I want to start with this bedhead waver. You guys, I have spoke about this on my channel so many times, and in the month of January I was just like getting lazy with my hair, and this takes me, no joke, like 2.3 seconds to do my hair. Maybe takes me 2.5 minutes to do my whole hair. Like today I was like not feeling how my hair was looking, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do a little bit of waver to it. And I love this because I can get like 4 to 5 days without washing my hair using this. That's because this makes my hair like thicker, even though it's really not, but it gives like the appearance that my hair is thicker, so my hair doesn't look as oily or as greasy as it really is. And I love this little guy, you guys. I have had it for years, and every now and then I go back to it, but in the month of January, you guys, I did my hair with this pretty much like 4 days a week, 4 to 5 days a week, because I am just obsessed with it. I do have it linked in my Amazon storefront, so I will link it down below for you guys. This bedhead waver is literally iconic. Sticking with hair, these scrunchies, you guys, mine are all dirty because they chill in my hair room and they get a bunch of hair and hairspray all over them. But this is from the brand Gimme. These are the best, the literal best hair ties I have ever used. I bought these because Jaclyn Hill did like an Amazon favorites a few months ago, and she said that these are the best. They don't pull on your hair, they don't tug, they keep your hair up all day, and she is not wrong. I was like, let me buy those and test those out. You guys, these are the best scrunchies I have ever used. I haven't reached for another scrunchie. I have like 50 to 100 of them, right? And I literally only reach for these. These are my favorite of all time. The way that they feel in your hair, the way that they stretch, they don't like overstretch. You know how some scrunchies can like overstretch? They are just the perfect. And when you take them out of your hair, they don't pull your hair either. There is literal magic in these. I also got these on Amazon as well, so I will have both of these linked down below for you guys, because these two, I cannot get enough of them. So this is kind of hair. I mean, it technically is hair, but I use it as hair and perfume. So this is from the brand Tocca. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. Tocca or Tocca. I'm not sure, you guys. But it's a hair fragrance, okay? And it's in the shade Gardenia. No, Florence, sorry. But the reason I said Gardenia is because this is a literal dupe for the KKW fragrance, Crystal Gardenia. If you guys didn't know, Crystal Gardenia is literally one of my favorites. You guys, this perfume smells so good. And it literally saddens my soul that you can't purchase this anymore. I have literally a little bit left in this bottle, and then I have like half a bottle over there, and I refuse to use them, even though I should, because you can't get them anymore, and these are amazing. So this is the best dupe that I've been able to find. I've had this for a while. This is actually, it's a little bit different than the KKW one, but it still smells pretty much identical to it, and this is amazing. I use it in my hair, I'll spray it like on my neck. It's just amazing, and as you can see, I've been loving it because it is pretty empty. If you guys want to do for the Crystal Gardenia, check this out. It smells amazing. So sticking with dupes, right? So this is from the brand Dossier. If you guys don't know what Dossier is, that's like a fragrance company that is inspired by higher end fragrances, if that makes sense. So this is their, I guess, dupe for the scent Daisy by Marc Jacobs, and you guys, I cannot get enough of this perfume. I'm literally out of it. I have to reorder it, but I like this better than Daisy. So Daisy is a little too like sweet for me, and it doesn't last long. In my opinion, Marc Jacobs Daisy line, you spray it and then within a few minutes it's gone. So for $90, you're not even getting like longevity out of it. So I don't even waste my time with them. I think they smell amazing, but most of them like fade within a few minutes. This, you guys, oh my god, I remember I was at work a few times last month, and I would wear this perfume, and like throughout the day I would get like whiffs of it, and I'm like, oh my god, for $30 it lasts longer than Daisy and it smells better than Daisy. So if you guys want a Daisy dupe, check this out from Dossier. It's in the scent Floral Violet. You guys, it is an amazing perfume. I'm actually gonna spray myself because there's like nothing left in here. This one is so good. So let's quickly talk about skincare. So first up is from Alleeyoop. This is their Dream Team 3-in-1 Moisturizer Eye Cream and mask. So I love this, but in January I had went out and I came home at like 3 o'clock in the morning and I didn't want to do a full skincare routine, and I was like, oh, I wish I had something that was like all in one. And I was like, wait, I'm such an idiot, I do. So I put this on and I used it for my eyes because it's an eye mask. I used it for my face, my entire face, and I didn't have to go through like a moisturizer, then an eye cream. I literally just put this all over my face and I went right to bed. This is amazing. I even love wearing it under makeup because now that it's super cold here in New York, I get a little dry, like right over here. So I like to bring the cream to right here when I'm doing my makeup and kind of like in the inner corners. I don't usually go like right underneath my eyes with eye cream. There's only one that I really do that with, and that's like on the Rarity. But I feel like eye cream underneath my eyes makes my concealer crease, so I kind of like avoid it. This one is amazing though. If you're a dry skin girl, you need to pick this up. It's a really heavy moisturizer without that like heavy feeling, if that makes sense. So it's not a moisturizer that you're going to feel like the Tocca Dewy one, where you're going to feel it on your skin. No, it absorbs and you don't lose any type of hydration. This is amazing, and it has that really cool bottle where you can like refill it, so you're just literally just purchasing this instead of purchasing the whole thing all over again. You guys, if you haven't tried this, oh wait, fuck, I always fuck these things up every time I do it. Okay, there we go. If you haven't tried this, you don't know what you're missing, you can use code DanielleBlendzz to get 10% off. I will have that linked in my bio as well, I mean in my description as well, because this is so good. You don't know what you're missing. So I guess these two are kind of skincare. So I have 2 sunscreens to talk about. So first I want to talk about the Ulta MD. So this I bought because I just feel like everybody talks about it on TikTok. Everybody loves it, and I've heard about this one for years. I bought it, and you guys, it is so good. This is the Ulta MD UV Daily SPF 40 tint version of it. I love this so much. If you're the type of girl that just needs something to kind of like neutralize her skin, you don't want to spend too much time, you want to take like a few minutes, do a quick skincare routine and top it off with something, top it off with this. This is amazing. You can literally put it on your face, put no other makeup on, and you look like you did like a little something without like really actually doing anything. This is amazing, and it wears beautifully under makeup too. So if you want to have a really bomb sunscreen and you don't want it to like, you want to still wear makeup, this is really, really good on top of makeup as well. So next up is from e.l.f. This is their Whoa Glow SPF 30 sunscreen. So this is supposed to be kind of like a dupe for the glow screen. I personally don't think it is. I think it's way less oily, and I don't think it's as glowy, but that's what I like about it. So I love wearing this under my makeup because it says it's sun protection and a makeup primer. So I'm not a makeup primer girl. I kind of just use my moisturizer and then I go on with my day. I don't really believe too much in primers anymore, but this is amazing. Underneath makeup, it is so good. Your makeup doesn't separate, doesn't break up. I love it so much. I can't decide which one I like better, but they are both amazing. So this one, I think right now they just raised the price. I think it's like $43 for this, and it's only 1.7 ounces, but it's really good if you want like a no makeup one. This one is, I think, 1.69 ounces, and I think it's like $10 or $15. So depending on your price point, depending on your goal, you can either get this or this, but they are both amazing, and I love them both. Okay, so I was creeping my girl Tatanisha. If you guys aren't following Tatanisha, you don't even know what you're missing. So I was on her Amazon storefront. I was just like browsing what she had, and she had, you guys, these half lashes, okay? If you have been following me on TikTok, here, wherever, you know that I love half lashes. I don't really like a full lash because for me, it's kind of hard to like get it all the way into the inner corner and make it stay. It's a lot of work, and I'm usually 99% of the time in a rush. Like, I got things to do. I don't have time to sit here and fiddle with a lash in my inner corner, so I always cut my lashes. And these are pre-cut half lashes. You don't even have to think about it. You just take them, put them on. You don't have to worry about if they're even because they're already even, and they are amazing. I'm wearing them today, and they are beautiful. And they're literally, I think they were like $8.70 on Amazon. They are so good, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you get 10 lashes in here. So for $8, that is amazing. I will also have this linked in my Amazon storefront because they are just like, look at my eyes. They are amazing. So up next, I haven't talked about this product on YouTube, but I have mentioned it on TikTok a bunch. I love this blush. This is from the brand Make Beauty. It's their Heat Stroke Blush Stick in the shade Slush. So you guys, this color and this formula is iconic. Everything about these little sticks is amazing. I love this stick so much because I just love the purpleness of it. And also, I'll show you guys how it looks. You can like just put it on your on your face, and it's not too purpley. Like looking at it, you would think that it's super intimidating, but it's not. And I love these because they leave your skin with like a glowy sheen, and they kind of like sheer out, but they also give you a tint. So I don't know if that makes sense, but these are amazing. And specifically this shade, it has been my go-to for the longest, you guys. It is a beautiful shade. If you have not tried anything from Make, try this because these are amazing. Okay, so this foundation came out, I think, like the last week of December. We all have seen it. We've all heard about it. This is the Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Foundation. So I know a lot of people like it. A lot of people don't like it. I don't know if the camera is picking up that there is a little bit of glitter in it. So I've seen some videos on TikTok where people say that like there's literal like glitter chunks in theirs, but there's not in mine. Like mine just looks like a normal foundation. You really have to like look to see the glitter. But you guys, this foundation is amazing. It's so good. When I first tried it, I was like, oh my god, I know I'm gonna be reaching for this a lot, especially if I want my makeup to last a long time. I'm gonna reach for this. It gives me the coverage and the longevity that I'm looking for, and it doesn't separate on my skin. I have a problem with certain foundations separating, especially around my nose and on my chin. This does not do that. This is freaking amazing. There's like a lot of controversy around it. Not everybody loves it, but I personally love it, and I'm a drier, like normal skin girl. So if you have skin like me, you will definitely love this. It's 10 out of 10. This next product, I didn't think it was going to be like a go-to everyday product. Like I thought I was gonna like it. I didn't think I was going to fall completely in love with it. This is from Tarte. This is their Sculpt Tape Contour Wand. So it is a definite like dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Contour Wand. But you guys, this, in my personal opinion, now if you guys have been following me for a while, you know I am ride or die for the Charlotte Tilbury Contour Wand. But this, you guys, it is, I think, better than it. Like I have been reaching for it so much in the month of January. It is my go-to. It's my holy grail. It's my favorite right now. And if you guys can get your hands on it, get your hands on it. I think it is slightly better than Charlotte. In my opinion, Charlotte is a little bit more pigmented, but this looks smoother, if that makes sense. So I do have a video up on my shorts where I'm comparing this to the Charlotte, so you guys can check that out if you guys want to see like a side-by-side comparison. But this, you guys, is so good. Okay, so the last product, I have not been able to put this powder down for the month of January. So I have loved it for months, right? And I've gone to it all the time, but the month of January, you guys, I literally could not stop using it. This is the Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom Easy Bake Powder. I not only love this shade, I just love the formula of this entire powder. It's amazing, and there's a reason why it's always sold out. It's because it's fucking amazing, you guys. I know a lot of people like don't necessarily love it or don't really like the cherry blossom one, but I did just try the pound cake one today because I was like, if I love this, I'm gonna love the shade pound cake, because I don't always want like a pink under eye. Sometimes I want just a regular normal looking under eye, and the pound cake is just as good. I'm actually using it today to set my under eyes. So you guys, if you can get your hands on this powder, do not sleep. It's in stock. Well, it was in stock today when I'm filming this video. I don't know if it'll be in stock when I'm posting this video, but it was in stock on her website and on the Sephora app. So check it out. If you can get it, get your hands on it, because this powder, you guys, is my favorite. Okay, so that is everything I wanted to talk to you guys about today. I'm so sorry if I was like talking really fast or like stumbling over my words. I had a lot to say and I wanted to just get it all out because I was so excited to share all these products with you guys. But these are my current go-to favorites. Let me know in the comments if you guys like any of these products, if you tried any of these products. Leave me all your recommendations too. I love hearing feedback from you guys. So yeah, that is everything I have for you guys in today's video. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video.